Hello everyone. In the today's session, we are going to discussing about the BST. BST is a nothing but binary search tree. Okay. In this session, we are going to discussing about the definition of BST and as well as how to draw a binary search tree using according to the rules of BST. Okay. Before going to head with this tree, I'm going to explain what is a BST. Then tell me what is a BST. BST is a nothing but we have some set of rules. Okay, so there should be uh, a root node, there should be a child node. Okay, so suppose assume that there is a parent node as a 15. Okay, so the 15 is a parent node here. Okay, there should be a left subtree, there should be a right subtree also. Okay, so this is a what, this part is called as a left subtree, this part is called as a right subtree. This is, I can say, left subtree and this part is a right subtree. Okay, so the left subtree should be a lesser than of root node. Left subtree should be a lesser than root node. Suppose I can take a 10 here, I should not take the more than of 15. I can't take 17 or I can't take 20 because the 17 is a greater than of this root node. So I should take the lesser than of this parent node. So I can take it as a 10 here. Okay, 10 is a left subtree. So in the right side, right subtree should be a greater than of its parent node. Okay, so what is the parent node of the value 15? It should be greater than of this. Suppose I can take here 20. Okay, so the BST rule is going to be applied here. I can't take here of 11 or less than of 15. I can't take it. I should take the greater than of this parent node. I have to take either 16. Okay, then the rule will be satisfied for this BST. These are the some rules before going to draw with this. Okay, so what is the definition of BST? BST is a binary subtree and it should be a left subtree should be a smaller than the parent node and right subtree should be a greater than of its parent node. That is the definition of the BST. Now we'll draw the binary search tree now. Okay, so the first value will be about 56. The 56 will be the root node now. Okay, whichever the given, the value, first value will be act like a parent node. Okay, so I'll draw parent node as a 56 here. Okay, so 56. Next, so what is the next value? That is 38. Okay, where we have to draw 38, we have to go with according to the rules of BST. What was the rule? Left subtree should be a smaller than parent node, right subtree should be a greater than of its parent node. So 38 is a smaller than 56. We have to go for the left part of the parent node. Okay, so we have to go here. What is the value? That is 38. Okay, now what is the value? 10. First we'll start from the scan from the parent node itself. What is that value? 10. 10 should be lesser than of 56. Come here, and 10 is also lesser than of 38. Again come down, again it should go for way left of this 38. Okay, I have to draw here. Okay, now what is the next value? That is 65. Come start scan from the parent node. 65. 65 should be a greater than of this 56. We should go for right side itself. So we have to draw 65 here. Okay, now what is the next value? That is 78. 72. So 72 scan from here. Okay, 72 should be a greater than root node. Come right. Okay, again we have to go for this. Again this is a greater than of this number. We have to go again right part of the 65. Okay, so draw 72. Next number is 44. We have to scan it from the parent node itself. 44 should be a lesser than of parent node. Again come down, again it should be a 44 is a greater than of this number. If it is a greater than of this number, we have to go for the right subtree. Okay, we have to draw what? 44 here. Okay, now what is the next number? That is 50. Okay, where we have to draw the 50 now? We have to scan it. No, it should be a lesser than of this parent node. We have to go here. Again this is also lesser than of this number. We have to go right part of this. again 44, again 44 is a lesser than of this number, so we have to go for the right side, not left side. Okay, so we have to write 50 here. So these are the some rules to draw the binary search tree. When it is having a less than of its parent node, we have to go for the left part. When it's a greater than of the parent node, we have to go for the right part. This part is a what left subtree, and this part is a what right subtree of the this binary search. So this is a small example I have taken to draw the BST. Okay, I hope you understood this video. So we'll see on the next session.